I'll open one for you. Okay, so crispy on the outside and then soft from the inside. Look at that cheese. So enjoy guys, please let me know in the comment section how it is. I'm enjoying it now. Hi my YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. This is Chef Elvino, Japanese Addiction. Today's recipe is rissois with chorizo and cheese. Okay, let's start the process. So for the filling of rissois I'm using Goan sausages. Okay, if you don't have Goan sausages you can use chorizo. Okay, very easy recipe. You need one onion, one green chili. So I'm using this Kraft cheese. Okay, it's very delicious. Okay, so let's begin with the preparation. So for the sausages you can remove the skin if you don't like, but I like it with the skin. So one sausage you can cut it into 4 like this. Okay, and put it in a bowl. For onion you just try to cut it as small as you can. Okay, and then the chili, and then cut the chili. Okay, and then combine everything in a bowl and let's begin with the other preparation. So for the cheese, okay, just cut it like this and then cut it into cubes. Okay, bit of this size. So in a hot pan you add all the mixture which we cut now, like the sausage, chili and onion. Don't put any oil and no salt because the cheese is already salty. Okay, just cook it for like 40% and then cool it down. Okay, this will be the stuffing for your rissois. Almost done. Okay, so at this stage let it cool down and then I'll tell you the next step. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for all the videos which will be coming out soon, and keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you to all my subscribers. God bless. Stay safe. So in a pan add water. Okay, some butter, let it melt. So after butter is melted you can add salt to taste. Okay, let salt dissolve, mix well. So at this stage you can add the flour. Okay, keep on mixing until it forms a dough. Okay, and put off the gas and mix well. So put on the gas and then mix like this. After some time it will become a dough. So after you remove from the pan, it's a bit hot, be careful, just knead it with some flour. It will look like this. Okay, so knead it for some time. Okay, okay, let's roll it. So at this stage you can knead it. Okay, so let it be little bit smooth, and when it is still hot you need to knead it. Okay, so after that just make some portions like this. Okay, keep it separately. So after that, just put it like this. Roll it like how you roll the chapati, okay? Don't make it too thin. After that, if you have a cutter, use the cutter. I have cup, so I'm using cup. Cut like this. Okay, should be like this. So take your wrapper. Okay, place the sausage meat in the center like this. After that, put some water. And now it's time to add cheese. Okay, see? And then just wrap it like this. Make sure there is no open side. From just try to press all the side. Okay, it will look like this. So what you have to do is now just keep it aside, let it rest, and then I finish it all. So let's do the breading. Take your risotto, drop it here. Okay, then make sure it's nicely coated everywhere. Then put it in the breadcrumbs. Okay, make sure the breadcrumbs is coated everywhere nicely. Okay, it will look like this. Look at this, guys, they are ready to fry. Looks so beautiful, right? So let's fry them. So put your oil in a pan and make sure it's hot. Okay, so let's start frying it. So keep your flame medium. Okay, so with the help of your net, so look how beautiful it looks. It's amazing recipe. So it's good during tea time, snack. I guess this snack have no time, you can have it anytime. It's very popular in Goa, but I just make it with sausages. Before I make a video on prawns risotto, you can check the recipe in the description box. Once they are golden brown, you can transfer it in a bowl. Okay.